Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have been creating this dark green smoky eye with the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I have been using two palettes of her collection, Armed and Gorgeous and Dark Magic. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. And now if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. First I'm taking the Sigma E40 brush and the color Proof, and I'm buffing it all over my lid. Then I'm taking the same brush with the color Agent on it. It's from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm starting to blend it into my crease. Now I'm taking the color Top Secret on the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm blending it also into my crease just a little bit below the color we applied before. Next I'm taking my Sigma E55 shading brush and the color Inside Job, and I'm applying the color all over my mobile lid and a little bit above. Now I'm taking my Morphe M433 brush again with the color Top Secret on it, and I'm blending over the edges. Then I'm going back in with the color Inside Job on my shading brush, and I'm intensifying the color on my lid. Again, I'm taking the Morphe brush we used before and I'm blending over the edges. To make sure that we have no harsh lines, I'm going back in with my Sigma E40 and I'm again taking the color Agent and I'm blending over all the edges. Now I'm taking the Sigma E34 brush with the color Top Secret on it, and I'm blending it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking an even smaller pencil brush, the Sigma E30, with the color Inside Job on it, and I'm intensifying my outer corner. Next I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush with no color on it, and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm applying mascara to my upper and my lower lashes. To brighten up my eyes just a tiny bit, I'm taking a nude colored eye pencil and I'm applying it to my lower waterline. Now I'm taking the color VIP on the Morphe M213 brush, and I'm highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with it. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you like it and that you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.